Let me reason with you today. Why we treat starting over like it's a shame? If relationship done, we feel like we fail. If business no work, we feel embarrassed. If job change, we feel like we step back. But hear this, Jamaican strong, yes, but we're also stubborn. We will stay in something long after it expire, just to prove say we can endure it. And sometimes endurance is not strength. Sometimes endurance is fear. Fear for look like we start over, fear for look like we lose, fear for explain to people why we shift direction. But tell me something, if you plant seed in wrong soil, is failure if you move it, or is wisdom? We love talk about growth, but growth require pruning. Growth require cutting, growth require restarting. And restarting don't mean you're weak. It means you're mature enough to admit this not working and realize something. Every big Jamaican success story have a quiet restart chapter that nobody clap for. So if you're in a restart season right now, don't rush it, don't hide it, don't be ashamed of it. Because sometimes God not pushing your back, Him clearing space. Real talk. I say it go, you tell me. Big up yourself.